Halo, halo, kita streaming lagi. Kali ini kita jadi timer lagi, ya kan? Kita main Digimon Data Squad. Gua nggak tahu ya, ini gua pas nggak gua streaming lagi offline, gua mainin lancar, guys. Atau ini streaming lancar nggak? Ini sekali ngetes ya. Terus streaming itu berat ya, adik-adik. Kok kayak animasi Malaysia ya ini? Anjay. Bukannya Mega itu ya? Kok bisa dilawan sih sama Ultimate? Let's go. Digimon World Data Squad. Option dulu. Ini gue udah coba sih sebenarnya, guys. Gue cepetin aja ya. Udah kan ya? Nggak nge-lag kan? Let's go, kita new game aja.
Begin digital dive. Beginning digital dive. Transfer rate 30%.
Oke, ada ininya ya. Ini sama nggak sih sama di ininya? Tapi ini versi Inggris sih.
Activate digital harmonizer.
Gue nontonnya yang versi Jepang.
Unlock digigate 1 through 7. Coordinate settings. Check. Stabilizer adjustment complete. Rate 90%. Checking systems. All green. Digital gate open.
Masaru Daimon.
Redirect.
Digimon 4 sih gak banget sih ya. Dulu gue pernah main, guys. Cuman nggak tahu ya. Ntar deh kita coba. Gua coba live streaming. Kuat enggak nih masalahnya? Ini apa nih mainnya? Pechards. Battle, guys.
What? You're not serious? You've got a lot of nerve challenging my boss to a fight. Come out, Agumon! Realize!
Realize, oh iya bener ya.
I'm boss's Digimon. I'm Agumon. Boss, I can handle this. I'll deal with you. Let's do it, Agumon! Fighting time!
Ribut nih. Nggak nge-lag kan? Bersuaranya, it look like you encounter an enemy Digimon. The Digimon that is quicker will get to move before the slower one. It look like your Agumon is the one who can move the fastest. This is screen display what your partner Agumon wants to do. If more than two of the same command appear, that means he want to use that one most. Oh, ini gue sebenarnya gue udah main sampai sini sih, guys. Kemarin ngetes. Jadi tuh kalau misalkan ini move-nya banyak gitu, tulisannya kan ini paper bread banyak nih. Nah, berarti saya Agumon gue lagi pengen pakai banget paper breadnya gitu. Right now he want to use paper bread more than sharp claw, beneran? Agumon will do what you tell him to do. Try choosing a comment. Kita pilih paper bread berarti.
Pepper breath.
That's good. Digimon are happy when you give them the command they want to use most. It depends on the situation, but try to give them the command they want to use most. Paper bread lagi. Ya, paper bread yang banyak kan.
Pepper breath.
That's it. The more you choose a command that makes your Digimon happy, the more your Digimon will like you. Child Claw, cakar anak kecil. Ya nge-lag anjing. Ya nge-lag guys. Ya nge-lag guys, gak kuat. Wah, kayaknya harus gue turunin deh. Bentar guys, gue turunin dulu ya. Nggak ngangkat guys, anjir. Di streaming berat ya. Kalau banyak gini nggak kuat anjing. Kalau gini nggak nge-lag. Berat banget ya.
Is that all you got?
Padahal kalau gua di streamingin lancar guys, berat berarti.
Pepper breath.
Gonna die.
I didn't even break a sweat.
Udah gue buka kan? Udah.
He's a digi-egg again. What's going on? We were attacked out of nowhere.
There's something going on with the Digimon in the area.
Kenapa nih?
It looks like many of the Digimon have become ferocious.
Why?
We don't know.
Cooperate with your Digimon partner and see what's going on. Marcus, do you understand that you're in the digital world? It's different from the
Different
real
from the
world. No
real
telling
world.
what can happen there.
Not telling what can happen there. Anything can.
I know.
Well then, here's the DATS mission. I'm sending you the target Digimon.
Bukan layarnya deh.
Tyromon.
Settingannya
is a
nih, gue belum
champion
ngerti
Digimon.
settingan ini. Ether.
It
Tyramon. I'll remember it.
Once you've defeated the target Digimon and turned it into a Digi-Egg, the mission is complete.
So, you're saying we just have to find the bad Digimon and defeat them?
Well, yes.
Yes.
Tyramon is in a wild state. Very careful.
Come on, it's me you're talking about here. Hey, boss, I'm hungry now.
Lapar dia.
You'll have to wait. I'm all warmed up and ready to go. Yeah!
Burik anjing, burik. Cari musuh dulu, grinding nih. Anjir, 2 cok.
Pepper breath.
Masih lemah banget gua. Langsung mati tapi. Nyerang ya dia. Machine gun kick. Kritikal enggak? Jangan tadi kritikal. Oh enggak, emang damage segitu guys.
I didn't even break a sweat.
Mirage barrier. Tuh gue cari cara deh biar gak nge-lag ya guys. Peti nih. Sial, ada yang berantem lagi. Oh, dia mau pakai baby burner guys. Nah, ini nggak nge-lag ya? Tuh, ini kan banyak. Kok nggak nge-lag? Tadi nge-lag guys.
Baby burner.
Si ada satu lagi. Paper bread apa ini yang banyak guys? Baby burner ya yang banyak ya? Paper bread sih.
Pepper breath.
Ingat ya, ini game nggak tahu sih RPG apa bukan, masuk ya. Kita harus grinding. KHP charge. Naik level sekali lagi nggak sih guys? Dua nih, serius. Gas. Baby burner, baby burner, baby burner, baby burner, baby burner. Paper bread gak sih? Yang banyak.
Pepper breath.
C15 doang aja gak ada rasanya bos. Hyper bread sih banyak.
Pepper breath.
Gonna die.
You were no match for me.
Level berapa gue guys? Duh, HP-nya. Level 4 kuat nggak ya ngelawan ini? Ini bos nih guys. Gue udah main sampai sini. Gue udah tahu duluan deh. Aduh, ada musuh lagi. Wah, nge-lag udah gak kuat guys.
Is that all you got?
Wih, Digi Soldier. Ini berubah nih guys kayak gini. Coba ya. Berubah tahu? Berubah gak sih? Berubah, Cok. Berubah nih. Tapi sayang aja lawan ginian.
Let's go, Agumon. Digisoul charge.
Tutorial belum ada, kita udah ini ya, berubah duluan anjir. Hah, jadi jadi Guilmon anjing. Ngapain anjir? Sapau. Ngapain gue berubah anjir?
How weak.
Lumayan dapat item guys. Bisa double game nih. Mana anjing? Hilangin aja lah. Let's go guys, let's go. Aduh, ada musuh lagi. Ini gimana jadi apa? Guilmon nih. Guilmon banget bos. Iya. Agumon gue Guilmon banget bos. Masih satu. Kita bisa di Gisol nggak sih? Oh nggak bisa berubah guys. Harusnya di tur yang kemarin gue coba tuh, ini gue jadi Agumon terus. Karena ini jadi Guilmon kan lucu ya guys. Kita ikutin aja lah cara mainnya, gamenya lah ya. Nah ini kalau nggak salah, nih bosnya nih, bos tutornya anjing.
Boss, it's the target Digimon. Let's go get him. Yeah. I can feel it. Boss is passionate Digisoul. Let's do this.
Jadi apa nih? Masih Guilmon apa Agumon nih? Guilmon bangke, nggak jelas banget. Nah ini bisa berubah nih guys. Tapi berubahnya nggak jadi nggak ini. Nggak berubah jadi Agumon anjir. Gak jelas banget ya.
How about this?
Jadi Growlmon kah?
Digisoul charge.
Jadi apa yo? Jadi Gremo, tetap jadi Geogremon kok. Take power up dulu gak sih? Masih lagi kok.
Flame breath.
Kurang sih. Kalau versi Inggris kurang ya guys. Bagusan ini gak sih? Digimon Adventure kemarin. 45 doang. Megashot lah. Puluh doang loh. Apaan sih? Nggak naik guys. Lembret lah.
Flame breath.
300 guys. Sakit tuh deh. Wah nge-lag anjing. Cih, lagi dong. Mega Suit lah. Mati nih dikit lagi. Mati.
I'm hungry.
Hungry.
All right. We did it, boss.
Telepon kita. Kenapa nih?
I've confirmed the target Digimon is turned back into a Digi-Egg. Good job. We'll retrieve it, so wait at that location. Huh? What? What's this?
Kenapa nih?
Another Digimon has been detected.
Hah, datang. Tadi Digimon lain, guys.
This can't be.
So, what's the big deal?
Get out of there now!
Something's coming. A strong one. Huh?
Nah, ini kartun banget ya. Kode Rat. Siapa nih? Oh, dia. Siapa sih namanya? Ini Demon Lord deh, dia kan kalau nggak salah. Gura.
You want a piece of me? You're not so tough. Size doesn't matter when it comes to a fight.
Let's go. Tapi nggak mungkin menang sih menurut gue ya. Dia mega, kita baru sampai champion doang anjir. Nah, ya darah gue segini bangke. Oh shit, ntar besok gue cari deh settingannya yang terbaik ya buat streaming. Mana lancar-lancar aja gak gue streaming pas gue nggak streaming. Wah ini sih gue neda ya.
Agumon!
Emang harus kalah kayak guys. Ah.
Darn!
Ini kartun banget ya. Hah, beku. Oh dia ngeliat Digivice kita. Kenapa dia?
That demon-looking thing. He looked at the Digivice?
Marcus!
Yoshino! Oh.
Hey, are you hurt?
This is nothing.
Dia tuh orangnya nggak mau kalah guys si Markus.
Glad you're all right. You and Agumon need to get treated. Let's head back to Gas headquarters.
I'll never forget that face. I'm gonna get him back for this!
Panting kenapa tuh? Apa?
You can't escape.
Oh, dikejar dia.
Help, Renamon! Help me, brother!
Renamon. Ya, oh diculik ya? Ya, pahlawan kesiangan nih datang.
Yuma?
Humanity is currently facing its biggest crisis. The boundary between the digital world and the real world has started to crumble.
Nggak kedengeran guys.
The cause is unknown, but now Digimon have been seen frequently in the real world. To maintain harmony between the two worlds, you idiot!
Dimarahin anjir.
How do you expect to be a member of DATS acting like that? Yoshino, tell us, what is DATS?
Digital Accident Tactics Squad. Our duty is to police Digimon, the mysterious
Ayo,
life
polisi
form in the
Digimon.
digital world.
Marcus, what is Article 3, Clause 1 of the Digimon Treaty?
Nggak apal anjir Markus.
You idiot! Yoshino, how about you?
Article 3, Clause 1 of the Digimon Treaty. Digimon that have caused problems in the real world must be turned back into a Digi-Egg and returned to the digital world.
Correct. Any Digimon that has caused problems in the real world can't be allowed to roam free.
In other words, we just have to defeat the bad Digimon, right? I make it sound so...
Who's the one that got his butt kicked and severely injured by that so-called bad Digimon?
Iya sih bener. Digimon jahat lah intinya. Kita harus basmi.
Pal, your injuries were serious, but it only took you 3 days to recover. You're tough as a roach.
Is that supposed to be a compliment? Sheesh.
Now here is your new mission. This time the target Digimon is
Bakemon.
Bakemon. He enjoys tampering with data all around the world and watching the people go into a panic. It seems he got bored.
Di lehernya ada holy ini ya, holy ring ya.
Marcus, Yoshino, go to the digital world. Your mission is to defeat Bakemon and turn him back into a Digi-Egg.
Understood.
Join your team.
Thomas is already on his way regarding this matter. Rendezvous with him and work together on the mission.
Why doesn't Thomas have to listen to the commander's briefing?
Unlike you, Thomas has memorized the Digimon Treaty.
Anak emas anjir.
The genius gets special treatment.
Since the other day, many Digimon have supposedly become wild in the digital world. I'm concerned about that mysterious Digimon called Creepymon.
Creepymon.
Use extreme caution
Tadi ya
out there.
Creepymon tuh ya. Lupa gue guys nama-nama Digimon.
That darn Creepymon. I'm gonna get him the next time we meet.
The target is displayed by a marker on the world map. DATS deployed. Digital dive authorized.
Bisa save gak sih? Guys, kayaknya udah dulu ya. Gue cari settingan yang pas buat main sambil streaming ya guys. Soalnya nih kayak beda nih setting. Gue belum setting, masih default nih. Oke gitu dulu ya. Nanti gue cari lagi dulu settingan yang pas. Ini berat banget soalnya. Tapi sumpah pas gue main gue live-in pas nyoba tuh nggak nge-lag. Tadi kan resolusinya 2 kali kan. Gue naikin resolusinya. Ini resolusi standarnya. Ya udahlah ya, gitu dulu aja Sorry gue streamingnya bentar-bentar karena tadi gue ada urusan. Sekarang juga bentar karena nge-lag. Jadi nanti gue cari dulu, kalau nggak bisa ya maaf dah. Nggak bisa kita lanjutin kayak kalau misalkan nggak ada settingan pas. Kita ganti game lain aja, oke? Segitu dulu. Terima kasih sudah mampir. Sampai jumpa di streaming berikutnya. See you dan assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.